Hey everybody, David Steenkamp here. In this video, I'm just going to go through the Appearance Widgets section. So a widget is basically like a little piece or a little chunk of your website um, where you can control what shows up. So let me just go to the sample page that comes with this My Style theme. I really hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, I'm very sorry. Okay, so here we are in the widgets section. So you'll see we have 5 different ones. So the primary widget, and I can tell you this with almost absolute certainty, is going to be a sidebar widget. So either running along the left or the right side. And sometimes you can actually change that within pages as well, but I'll get to that in another video. So within the widgets section, you'll see a big list of all the widgets that are available. Now, I'm not going to go through every single one, as I think a lot of them are quite self-explanatory, but I would like to show you a couple things that I usually do myself. So the first thing I usually do is actually delete all of the ones that come by default, unless there is one I truly want to use. So categories I don't want to show, archives I don't want to show, I don't want to have comments. Do I? No, I don't. So I'm going to delete that one. And recent posts. You know what? Let's leave recent posts. So a more common thing that you might see would be someone creating maybe a custom menu. Or this one is one that I probably do the most, and it's so basic. But it's just arbitrary, like it says, arbitrary text or HTML. So literally all you do is click and drag to where you want it to be thrown. So let's say we want it just underneath recent posts, let go, and you can put in a title and a description. So let's say we want this one to be contact us. Email. Here's how you write an email in HTML with a link. Mail to info@davidsteenkamp.com. info@davidsteenkamp.com. Close that tag. Phone 555. Actually, you can link phone numbers as well. Here's how you do that. href equals what is it? Tell 123 123 1234. Just like that. And then if someone has Skype, it'll show up. I'll show you what I mean. So press save. So I'm just trying to show you that it can take HTML code as well as just regular text. And that's it. You just press save. I know it doesn't really seem like anything happened, but if you go back to the site and check out the sidebar, you'll see all those ones have been deleted and then mine have been added. So see, I put in contact us, email. So if I click email, it says, oh, what do you want to send out through? There's all your options. And then phone, see how it actually says tell down there at the bottom left of my browser, just down here. Tell 5555555. So if I click it, because I have Skype, I could say okay, and then it'll do a Skype call. So it's just kind of a neat little feature, especially for people that have, smartphones or whatever, or iPads or tablets. A lot of them have the Skype app, so you could do it that way as well. So yeah, that's just arbitrary text. If you wanted to throw in your whole address, you could do that there, or any kind of just basic text. So, and since we're using a Woo theme, they have created their own widgets that you can use as well. So see, they got like a search widget. That's a good one to add in. I'm going to add a search widget in as well. So I'm just going to Control F, see if I can find what do we got for search. So they use their own custom search widget. So let's put it right at the very top. And we'll just call it simply search. Save. Let's refresh. And there you go. So it puts in a little search box. Let me just make my thing wider here. See, I'm not crazy about that layout. I'd maybe want to change it, like maybe instead say go, and then put it like right here beside. And that's something you could do with CSS. But anyways, that's basically how widgets work. There's also, footer options down here. So let's just take a quick look what that looks like. So recent posts. Oh, spelling mistake. Widgetized footer. I'm just going to delete a bunch of those as well. And let's see if that fixes that. Okay. Alright. Now let's just try adding one more in. Let's say, let's just say we're going to put another search in down here. Save. Oh, give it a title. Search. Save. There we go. So now it's put it there, right? So this is gonna. So it looks like it's gonna have 4 blocks. So footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, and footer 4. So there's gonna be like this area is gonna be a block. Then there'll be a second, third, fourth, and it's really up to you how you want to space them out. You can even drag in between widgets. So let's say I want my search one actually in footer 4. So I can actually drag it from, whoops, from here over to here. And that's it. Just wait for the little loading icon to finish. Refresh your site. And then it moves over. Oh, I see, it's kind of smart. So it actually won't go straight over. It keeps everything in line. So so I guess you got to put a couple things in the middle before it'll show up over on the right side, which is what you should do. You should really, use the space that you have allotted to you. So anyways, I think I've rambled on enough with the widgets one here. Just really trial and error, try stuff out, experiment. Yeah, enjoy. Next video, let's do menus. The menus is a big one. So yeah, so we'll explore that in the next video. Okay, see you guys then.